This video contains fast flashing images. It may cause discomfort and trigger seizures for people with photosensitive epilepsy. Viewer discretion is advised. So for this trick, you'll need 4 of a kind, and for this trick, I used the 2s. So gather up the 2s here, and this is going to be your setup. You're going to put 1 card as your prediction, and then you're going to use the other 3 like this. You're going to put 2 on top and 1 on bottom. 2 on top and 1 on bottom. So, and your prediction will go right in the middle. So, now you're going to start out like this. You're going to turn the deck face up, and then you're going to look for a prediction. You're going to look for the card that you put in the middle. Okay? Now, the spectator is not going to be able to see what you pick. So, whenever you're doing this, you're going to turn your hands up to where only you can see it. So, once you grab the prediction, you're going to lay it face down on the table, and you're going to set it off to the side. Once you do that, you're going to force a card on the spectator. Now, you have 1 of them on top right here. So, what I like to do is I like to do the riffle force. So what you would do is go about halfway down, peel off the top card into the deck, hold a break, a pinky break, and hold your fingers here, and when they call out stop, right there, you just lift up on the break, and it goes to their card, or the card that you want to force. So, go over that again, lift about half the deck, pull off the top card, hold a pinky break, right there, riffle down the cards. When they say stop, lift up on the break, show them the card, it will be the force card. So, now that you force the card on them, what you would do is this. You hand them their card, making sure that you do not look at it. You don't look at the card. Hand them their card, say place it anywhere that you want. You can have them spread it out, or you can spread the cards out, you can dribble down, you can riffle, you can do whatever. I like to riffle, so call out stop. Let's say they say stop right there. Place their card in the middle. Now, this is genius right here. You have a 2 on top, and you have a 2 on bottom. This is all you gotta do. You gotta spread out and say, I can look at your card, that doesn't matter. And this is what you're doing. You're turning your hand over, turn your hand back over, and then you're placing the card that's right here, you're placing it on top of this packet, just like that, on top of a 2, and you're going to take this packet and put it on top of it, square it up, and then go and find it. And now it's in between your 2 2s. It's in between them. So, 1 on bottom, 1 on top. Let's do this one more time. So you take your card, their card, put it into the middle, spread through. Say, I can look at your card, that's fine. Transferring this card to this packet, putting this other packet on top, spraying through, laying it down, saying the cards off to the side, and then you'll flip over one card at a time, saying it landed in between two cards, it was the twos. If my prediction was correct, and then you come over here, and then you flip over the final two. The reason I like to use, the reason I do these first is because this is a much cleaner effect. Not necessarily cleaner, but it looks better. So if you flip over these first, it goes into suspense for this one right here. Just like that. And that's how you do the trick, guys. Remember, have fun with it and keep it all looking WILLEAZY, guys.